Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to put a space in your display name on Roblox Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you have been wondering, how can you get a space in your Roblox display name on mobile, then I have good news for you, because Roblox has been recently allowing adding spaces to your name, and today in this video, I'll show you how can you do it very easily and very clearly. First, let's open our browser. Simply from here, as you can see, go to roblox.com, the website right here. And then let's go ahead and go to Continue in Browser at the bottom, because this method only works here. Just tap on Continue in Browser, and from here, if you haven't logged in already, just log into your Roblox account. Wait for the website to fully load up. To start with, tap here in the bottom right corner on the three lines or the three dots that should be right there to enable the desktop site or the desktop version of this website. Right here, guys, and here we go. Once it loads up, it's going to be a little bit zoomed. And then tap here in the top right corner on the gear icon because we need to go to Settings. So after you tap there, just tap again on Settings, of course, as I said, to open the settings. Wait for the settings to load up, and once they do, right next to the display name at the top, go to the right side of the screen and tap on this pencil that should be the first one right here. Here and right here, we need to go ahead and add the space we have talked about. And currently, we can only add one space. But once I do that, as you can see, it says that I cannot add spaces because this update hasn't reached my account yet. So what you need to do is to wait for this update or new patch basically to reach your account, and you can finally add spaces to your name. And that is it for this video. So that's basically how you can put a space in your display name on Roblox Mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.